So you about to go to the river walk?
See that?
Where is they going?
What me tell you about that?
What me tell you about that? You saw the Jamaican girl. See, what me tell you about the vlogging thing? No.
Says we don't want.
See how she don't got nothing to say now? She don't got shit to say now.
Why don't you take pictures?
Hey, we should go on that thing up there.
You never know the people mover?
Nope, I don't even know how to get on there.
Are you fucking serious right now?
Hey, could you stop cussing? I'm doing it for the vlog right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm
so
serious.
uncultured. That is so gross.
Trying to do it for the vlog, but
What vlog?
she killing my vibe. Bullet.
Stop.
I'm on the phone though. Oh my god. She almost crashed into that car. What the hell is wrong
Shut
with you?
up. Hello?
I knew I should have drove my own car. But yeah, just got to the river walk and ting. Trabas, you man fella. Look at the cute couple. Just doing it for the vlog. Look at her, think she know everybody.
I know her. Mushara. Yo,
Mashara. Hey, chill out. They looking
Come
back.
here, Mushara.
She don't know you.
I know her.
No, you
I
don't.
went to Casa.
So look at that beautiful water. People riding on their bikes. Look at that nice booty. I didn't put your face in it. Vlog world.
All you do is record yourself.
Yeah, I do. I record it because I do it for the
I'm
vlog.
not hanging out with you anymore.
She's not hanging out with me anymore. Oh, really?
Okay, I'm for real.
So she's talking about she's starving. You know, she want to
All
go.
I do is just go on it. Yo, give me the fucking camera now.
Watch her cuss in front of people. No more vlogging. Oh my god, she's dying. Oh my god. That booty done. It's cool. In the GM building doing it big. And she always got a problem. Ooh. I like your outfit, girl. Where's the peep mover thing at? You don't even seem like we're going towards it. I thought we were supposed to be going up.
No, we're going right here.
So we going down? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a people mover.
You make $30,000.
For what? Oh, that's for the sex we had. Hey, I'm vlogging. You can't say stuff like that. Nice, beautiful wall. I don't know what the hell this is, but yeah. People mover for the first time. I can't believe I've been in Michigan so long and haven't been on a people mover. But yeah. Wow. You just sit down. Hey, what happens if I open the door?
Don't. I wouldn't touch it. Honestly. I don't know. What the fuck is it?
It's probably gonna be boring over this side.
Come here. Come sit with me.
Come sit with you? I don't take the stairs.
I don't need you to be vlogging while we're trying to eat. Okay.
Alright. But I gotta vlog when we get to the restaurant though. Come on.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
Greek Town. About to eat in Greek Town for the first time.
You never get in Greek Town?
No, I never ate in Greek Town. Hey, how you guys doing? Good, good, good. Oh, look at the cakes. Man, this restaurant look real fancy. You sure you want the flaming cheese?
You told me that you can't get it, so I don't want to.
So what is this again?
It's lamb.
Why does it look so ground and pound looking? And look at your boring salad over there.
This is good. This is good for.
You sure about that, or are you just saying that?
I say it. It's good.
Alright, I'm about to dig in there.
Turn off the thing.
Leaving out the restaurant. Had a good time. Look at you mad?
I'm really mad.
Mad about what? I had a good
Did
time.
I just have this whole conversation about this vlogging?
Alright, come on. I had a good time. You showed me some new stuff. I'm about to end the vlog. You just like mess up my night in a guan. Oh, it's stuck? Oh, it's stuck? Yeah, that's good. What the? How we? So we trapped? Are we? Oh, okay. This won't work. I'm gonna say we trapped in this boy. What the hell is that? Here you go. Here's your suitcase.
Shut up.
So this place is supposed to be amazing, huh?
It's really good.